सो आशा है तुम सब कुछ कर रहे हो। हम मेनली बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू बिकम सो डेंजरस। First thing I would like to say that bro, you don't need to be dangerous. Be chill. But because if you want to be dangerous, I cannot do anything. I just tell you, bro, do this. And then you follow that and you become so dangerous. And that's a choice I talk about in a detail so that you can understand. It is so easy, so simple, you can understand so easily. Okay, so number one thing to become so dangerous is talk less than necessary. जरूरत से कम बोल. You don't need to speak too much. Okay, you don't need to speak too much. If you speak too much, nobody value your words. Whatever you said, people say don't respect you because of you are a chatterbox. So don't be a chatterbox. Okay? Speak it out. Whatever in your mind, just speak. And that's all. If you start something, then you really can do something. So जब भी बोलने को बोला जाए जब बोलना. Don't speak about bullshit. Only focus on really matters. If you talk less, people respect your words. Whatever you said to people really respect you. So speak less. Remember, this is so powerful thing. You can apply everywhere. People think, bro, he's so serious. People think he's a taciturn. He's so taciturn. Like he's so serious and mysterious. Okay. So become a taciturn. It is so simple. You don't need to speak lots of things to become so dangerous. First, follow that. I'm focused on too much to speak less because bro, it is so powerful technique. But if you are an extrovert and you want to be a dangerous person, so it is hard for you. So you don't need to become dangerous person. It is only for introvert. They don't like to speak too much, so they can become dangerous. And next thing is show to people that I'm so strong. If anybody bully you, even teacher bully you for no any reason, they bully you so much. So take initiate. If anybody bully you, fight. If anybody bully you so much, kill him. Don't think about it. If you are bullying, don't become a bully. Don't take it actually that you go to and kill. उसको इतना पीटो बहनचोद कि मरने के लायक हो जाए. अरे याद रखना, ये जब जब करना, जब तुम्हारी जो सहने की जो शक्ति है ना, वो बियर करने जो है ना, बियर, बोलो अब मैं बियर नहीं कर सकता, आज तेरे को बहन चो मार दूंगा फिर। उसके बाद उसको पीटो, भथोड़ा जो मिले भून दो साले, समझे? तो डेंजरस बन सकते हो, फिर तो तुमसे कोई बहन तो पंगा लेने नहीं आएगा, समझ रहे हो तुम? कोई भी नहीं पंगा लेने आएगा तुमसे। फिर बहन चो ये इतना बुरा मारता है, मुझे भी मार देगा। He is just so mad guy. He's so crazy guy. So don't let anybody who beat you. Don't give anything to people. If anybody take advantage of you, take initiative, beat them so badly, because if he bully, then he cannot bully and never bully again, because you fight. Remember, the psychology of a bully is he think he is so weak, so I can bully him. So that's a powerful. Show them, बहन की लंड, अगर तू मुझे मारेगा ना, तुझे तेरी गांड मार लूंगा, छू के तो दिखाओ, समझे? ऐसा होना चाहिए, फिर तो तुम्हारी बुली कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, अगर तुम्हारे पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है। और याद रखना, तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस की भी जरूरत नहीं, अगर तुम्हारे मत्था खराब हो गया तो माँ खत्म करो उस कहानी को, कि अगली बार से वो आए ना तुम्हारे पास, समझे? मुझे पता है तुम कहोगे भाई ये कैसी बातें, अजीब सी बातें कर रहे हो, बहुत बड़ी बात है। याद रखना भाई, दुनिया बहुत आगे जा रही है और लोग तुम्हें काफी बुली करेंगे, शायद फिजिकली ना करे पर साइकोलॉजी, दिमाग दिमाग में करेंगे, परेशान कर देंगे। तो याद रखना, बुली मत होना, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। किसी को अपने ऊपर काबू करने मत देना। डोंट बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय पीपल, यू हैव टू कंट्रोल टू पीपल बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मैनिपुलेशन। When you understand the power of manipulation, you can use anywhere, and it is so powerful thing. You can use in a relationship, in a professional, and every segment. So understand the manipulation. It is really a game changer if you understand it deeply. Then people fears you. A powerful man says that don't be a boy who is loved by everyone. Be a man people fear. So be a man. Become a man. How can you become a man? Just my third point is observe what people are doing. Then you can understand their weaknesses. And if you understand their weaknesses, then you can put your hand on that person. Then you can put sweep on their veins, and the veins is weak point, and you pinch the pin on that person. So understand this. So if you learn only one tactic, manipulation, then it is so easy for you to be a dangerous person. So learn about it, manipulation. Lots of things in manipulation you can learn. So learn one manipulation tactic, then apply in real life and see it is really work or not. If works, then good, or not, then try to how to do correctly.